Hello and welcome to Mike's Garage. Thanks for stopping by. If you've already subscribed to our channel, thank you very much. If you haven't, please do. And when you do, if you tap on the little button for the notification bell, you'll be notified every time we put up another video. Now I say that tonight because I'm going to tell you why it's so important here in a minute, because I want to show you what I've been doing and how that applies. But anyway, we've pretty well finished with this 65. We had quite a mess with changing clutches and all that, and I ended up replacing everything I could get my hands on. This is a brand new original releasing disc. This is an original clutch basket. I was able to find a used one that was in good shape. Anyway, I worked on this thing, and I'm really now satisfied with it. The clutch booster assembly, or like we lovingly refer to them as a Mousetrap assembly, is really a neat thing, and it gets a bad rap because people don't know how to adjust them and do them right, and when they're done right, they work something like this. And you can see how smoothly and nicely this operates. Now I can pull it with my little pinky, and I can hold it with my little pinky, and that's what it was designed to do. It was originally designed, it came out in 1952 on the Big Twins, when Harley first put a foot shift on their Big Twins and a hand clutch, which of course a lot of people see as quite an improvement, and then a lot of us really enjoy riding with a hand shift. But if you're going to have a foot shift on an old bike, there is nothing like a Mousetrap assembly. They're really, really neat. And I got so many people over the years. Excuse me?
Question.
Okay.
Can you please explain why they call it a mousetrap?
Well, if you disconnect one end of it and you work it by hand and you actually let go of it, you can see how strong that spring is. Mm-hmm. And this will hurt you. I have been hurt by them before. They will really hurt you. You may not break your fingers, but they'll certainly be a lot thinner than they were before that thing thumped on them. Okay. I mean, they really do some damage. But they're such a nice operating piece when they're on. I've got one on my knucklehead, and I just love it. Mm-hmm. But Harley came out with them in '52 when they came out with the foot shift, and used them right up through the year 1967. After that, they just put a different arm back there and made clutches that didn't have that booster assembly. And they're much harder to operate. These are really a pleasure. And, okay, people are probably saying now, okay, get to the point, Mike. Okay, I'm getting to the point. The point is, 6 years ago, we did a video on how to adjust a Mousetrap. Now, I don't mean to brag, but I've had more compliments on that video on people telling me how much it helped them. Mm-hmm. So instead of doing that again, all you need to do is go to Pacific Mike on YouTube and type in the search bar, Old Harley Davidson Mousetrap Adjustment, and it'll come up. Mm-hmm. In parentheses, it says clutch booster. It says Old Harley Davidson Mousetrap clutch booster adjustment. So all you got to do is type that in, and basically all I'm doing is saying exactly what the book says. Now maybe I'm using a little bit different terminology, maybe I'm going a little slower, I don't know, but it seems to help people, and if you need help with it, there it is. That's the best I can do. And they really do work. But you can see how nicely this works and how nicely the clutch releases. And I'm hardly doing anything up here to hold this in place. Mm-hmm. And that's it.
Movement, that's good.
Yeah, it does. It breaks real clean. And of course, everything in there is new. And in previous videos here recently, we've gone through each item as we installed it in this system. So it's really done and it's really nice, and my buddy Bill is going to really enjoy it. I did a few other things to the bike as long as it was here. He thinks he's really gotten heavy, and he really hasn't. What it really is his seat post was adjusted so poorly that it I think someone adjusted it for a little kid or something.
We have a video on that.
We'll do one on it soon, because we actually haven't. We've talked about them and explained that all you need to do is go by the diagram in the book. The diagram is in the service manual. And I know people get tired of me saying use your service manual, but they're wonderful. They really are wonderful. They're written by the people who know. The people that built the motorcycle wrote the service manual. And writing a service manual well is a real talent. And some of them are better than others because different people have put them together.
Yeah, automobile ones are pretty.
Well, the Harley ones that I use are the ones that are model specific, of course. And there are some of them that I appreciate more than others. I love the 59 to 69 service manual. Whoever the guys were, the people were, the ladies, gentlemen, whoever the people were that put that particular service manual together.
God bless them.
Oh, they did a beautiful job. They really, well, this is it right
I
here.
wonder if we have any relatives still.
Any what?
I wonder if there's any relatives.
What, of these people?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sure.
Oops, sorry.
But I mean, this is the service manual that I'm talking about. And there are other ones that are excellent, different years that are really good. But you got to remember they're written by people, and people differ in how they say things. I try real hard to keep it plain and neat so that it's understandable. Anyway, so I wanted to show this, and now I have, and I will get it back together and return it to Bill in the next day or two. And I guess we're done with it. And I'll miss her. This is a nice girl. And that's about all I have to say about that. I also wanted to mention, by all means, the Born Free show is next weekend. So that's the 22nd and 23rd of June. That's Saturday and Sunday. It's in Santiago Canyon, which is in Orange County, California. Santiago Canyon. And it is at Irvine Lake, which is in Santiago Canyon. Well, I don't think I can be any more exacting than that. I think it opens at 10 in the morning. Is that when they usually open? Is it about 10? Yeah.
I'm hoping to try to camp inside.
We'll see what happens. I don't know what's going to happen. But my cousin called me today, so we can probably camp at his house if not.
I know Sunday is solid. Saturday is still up in the air.
Right, well, we'll see. Anyway, yes, we have our passes for Sunday. There aren't any more passes available for Saturday.
Yeah.
So we'll see what happens. Anyway, I said passes, that's grass passes. So you can park your bike inside on the grass. If not, you park in a dirt parking lot, which is huge and friendly and fun, and everybody is cool there too. The whole thing is good. What, pardon?
Mike's bumping into lighting.
Oh, it's okay. Anyway, so again, Born Free is coming up. I'm excited about that. I also got a notice in the mail that in September, the El Camino show and swap meet is coming up too, and I love that one too. So we'll be telling more about that one as the summer goes on. Yeah, that's a little notice on that one. That was, I don't know what year that was. Oh, that was in 2023. That's a flyer from the 2023 El Camino Vintage Motorcycle Show and Swap Meet. Anyway, so we did that. We covered that. The next thing I think about all I have left to do is, by all means, have a look at our shirts. They are fun and they're grand. And if anybody wants one, which I think people do, I hope so, just go to our website, which is pacificmike.com. And in the upper right-hand corner, it says Shirt Store. And all you have to do is click on that, and then you can order a shirt. And we have shirts, and we have our baseball cap, which is embroidered. And
Not
so,
iron on, embroidered.
oh yeah, everything here. I mean,
Quality.
we really do our best to do a really quality shirt and have nice work on it. So anyway, we've been selling a lot of them. People seem to like them. So that takes care of all of it for now. And till next time, I'll see you out on the road.